Hi friends, welcome to Distract-GIS. Today we are going to discussing about another tool, map style and symbology. How can match QGIS and ArcGIS? I think I received many comments from my friends and my colleagues. How can do that? Because if you are going to doing some classification or any simple in symbology setting in ArcGIS, so maybe your data, the storage data is very high. So that you are in set, or you want to set it manually for each symbology, because color combination you want to do. If your land use and classification means there is a lots of changes we have to do in accurate level. So that time you maybe feel, okay, why cannot add same layer in QGIS? So in that time when you're going to add in QGIS, that time you maybe see you're going to face as one challenge is, okay, you need to set that perspective the color means having a symbology, so that will take a long time. So there is one challenge, because we each color you have to same with which you are done in ArcGIS. So here one tool is available and we can easy to do very easy way within 5-6 minutes. We just not a 5-6 minutes also. If you are done, you are familiar with that tool, means you don't want to worry about just for 2 minutes. You can set it in every symbology and you can start your work. So here I am going to give you one demo. So one step by step. You have, first of all, you have to open your QGIS, then go to plugins. The manage and plugins, click, then you have to type here. First you have to select all, then SLY. Okay, when you go to SLY tab, then you can get one SLYR Commodity Edition. Then in here is you have to install. Okay. Here I already installed, that's why here is an install something you can see. Okay, after installation you have to find a toolbox, processing, then toolbox. Okay, here you will open that one. Then after you have to check that SLYR community, the tool is installed or not. If you are done successfully, this will the tool will reflect in here. Okay, you can see here. Then after open style database. Okay, then give it this one here. Then next you have to open option. Go to settings and option. Okay, here also same. If you done successfully SLYR component tool, the tool will be reflect here. If you not done proper, here that will not come. Okay, then go to MTB tool. Here this toolbox you have download. Okay, I'll show you how to download and what we want to do that. Then further procedure, click on download. Okay, go to that folder. This is a download file. Okay, so create one folder. I already created that folder, that's the reason I just copy and paste. Then after you have to extract this file here. Okay, then go to the folder. Then you have to take this path. Okay, then what you want to do here? Then the same path we need to update here. Okay, path to MPD2. I already done, that reason I not updating my current the path. Okay, then after copy and paste your path, then click on OK. One step is over. In the next, go to ArcGIS. Then here right click on customize. Then here you can see tools, toolbars, commands option. Click on command. Star. Okay. Here you can see dimension and tools. Click on tools. You can see here style manager, style references, export map style. Here you have to take export map style and drag it and keep it here anywhere. Okay, I already kept it here, that's the reason I'm not adding here. Just click on drag it, it will come. Okay, you can see here my export. Then here I open my file, because this I am just giving demo purpose. This is belong to this boundaries in Palakkad district blocks. Okay, so I given already once color change is also done. I think you have to give proper color combination, because which is a respective file, you have to set your symbology proper. Okay, then already given here, that's the reason I don't setting any color combination. This is enough. You can also set your how to do the symbology. I think you maybe know, otherwise I am going to giving us one demo also. Go to here symbology, then categorize, then block. You have to remember this which is your symbology was done, because here value field is in block, this block. Okay, then okay, already done, that is nothing to change here. Then after you have to save this file, map export file, click here, they save this file, not in same folder, you create one folder, then after you have to already done one file, that is in, there is use one file, you see. Okay, now you can see. Okay, here I already created one folder, and map style, giving one name. You can also give as your wish name. Okay, just put them up. Then save. Just turn on. Go to here. Then here we already installed our SLYR Community Edition. Okay, this is a toolbar. You have to select this one. Okay, to SLYR Community for tool. Style database. Then second one, convert ESRI style. Double click on. Then there's a new tab will come. Then after style database, which is your map style file, you save it. That file you have to add here. Click. Okay. Now after we're going to changing this one. Okay, map style file to XML. So where you want to save this? So you create a and save your file. Same where you are save the map style file, same folder you have to save XML file also. Okay, map XML. Then run it. Okay, done. Next, go to settings. Here is the style manager. Okay, click on. Here you can see. Then click on import or export. Okay, here we are going to be importing. Okay, click on import items. Then where you are save the XML file, that file only you have to add here. Okay, now add it. Okay, then next I have only 4 the boundaries, that is in 4 is come. Okay, what you have to do, you have to select all. Select, then after you can see here everything is selected. Then import. Then after S to all. Okay, S to all. Then close it. Now you need to open same file. This same file you need to open. This is my file. Now you can see nothing to have changed, only same color, because I not done any categorization. I'm going to do categorize. Okay, single, then categorize. Here you have to remember which is your done there. So here block, you have to select block. Okay, then after classify, you can see here that color is not match right now, right? So how going to matching? I give you one of the last final steps. Go to here advanced, then match to saved symbol. You see now matched 4 categories to symbols. Okay, okay. Now you see save. Now you can see the color. save. It's a very easy step. You can follow what I explained here. Same way you have to follow. If you have any doubt, if you want to know more how to do this or demo, anything if you need, just comment or comment on my video, because I am going to updating this in YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching.